Never split the difference. Negotiating as if your life depended on it. Sounds pretty interesting, right? So you might be thinking, why someone like me, who always talks about artificial intelligence careers, is suddenly talking about negotiation? Well, there's a reason behind it. See, in the age of artificial intelligence, your biggest superpower is strategic communication. And one of the most important elements of strategic communication is salary negotiation. Whether it's getting best salary for your first job, negotiating that hike, or switching jobs for a better opportunity. Here, your ability to negotiate often determines how much value you can actually extract from your career. And today, this mystical combination of technology, data, and AI tools can actually help you prepare better for these conversations. Hi guys, welcome to Solver, where everything is about technology. So today, I'm going to show you how the tools in the Naukri.com ecosystem can actually help you prepare better for these salary conversations. So let's first talk about Naukri Pro, a premium service by Naukri.com that acts like a career assistant powered by AI, helping you prepare better for the job opportunities. Now you might be thinking, how does it actually help? So let's open the Naukri app and explore it together. So this is Naukri Pro, and these are some of its features like enhanced profile, AI job agent, exclusive job invitations, AI resume maker, AI interview practice, and advanced skill insights. So let's first take a look at AI Resume Maker. AI Resume Maker, we have the option of AI Editor, which helps us to generate a professionally optimized resume using relevant keywords. Like you can generate an AI-powered optimized profile summary, work experience, internships, all AI-powered. And also, you can add extra sections like a social media link, your LinkedIn link, anything. And also, you can add templates of your choice free and do the required formatting. This very much increases your chances of getting shortlisted. You get AI-assisted job application through AI Agent Neo. Let's understand this. Here first you enter these required criteria and then click on Save. After knowing your preferences, AI will suggest you a list of jobs which matches your preferences. So these kinds of automated and intelligent suggestions helps you to apply to jobs more efficiently, saving you a lot of manual effort. Let's take a look at AI interview practice feature. So in interview preparation section, they have this feature of AI powered mock interview, which helps you to prepare for real interview scenarios using AI. And also they have this option of personalized question bank. Let's take a look at enhanced profile. In profile enhancement, you get multiple opportunities to enhance your profile, which makes your profile more visible to recruiters. How does this help in salary negotiation? Because preparing for a job is one part of the process, but the another part, understanding your salary and your market value, is another ballgame. So let's move towards it. Now that we are in Ambition box, we will click on these three dotted lines and select Salary Calculator. You'll find the Take Home Salary Calculator. Here, enter your company name, designation, annual CTC, bonus, work experience, location, and the tax regime, and then click on Calculate. After you have entered those details, the calculator will show you your estimated in-hand salary. You know why this is so important? Because most of the people only focus on the absolute figure of CTC. They don't focus on the real money they're going to receive every month in their bank account. And this is such a vital information. And in case you have multiple job offers, this tool actually helps you identify which one benefits your bank account the most. Now, under salaries, select Are you paid fairly? Now that we are here, enter the details and select Let's find out. The system compares your salary with the market data and tells whether your current compensation is above market value, below, or is it average. Knowing your market value actually helps you determine whether your compensation is competitive or not. And if it's below market value, you can consider negotiation or switching. Another useful option is salary hike calculator. A salary hike calculator is very useful when you're expecting a promotion, annual appraisal, or planning to negotiate an increase. Here, there are two options. You can calculate your hike percentage firstly by entering your current salary and new salary. This gives you your hike percentage. So now you can calculate your new salary by entering your current salary and hike percentage. This helps you understand realistic salary expectations before an appraisal discussion. So let's quickly recap. Naukri Pro helps you prepare better for the job opportunities through AI resume optimization, profile enhancement, interview preparation tools, and job application support. And platforms like Ambition Box provide you with the basic salary intelligence that helps you understand your actual take-home salary, your expected salary growth, and your fair market value. Never split the differences, negotiating as if your life depended on it. That is absolutely true. But in today's world, negotiation becomes even more powerful when it is combined with right information, right tools, and proper preparation. In the age of artificial intelligence and strategic communication, this combination gives you an unparalleled leverage in your career. Because when you communicate with information and confidence, you don't just ask for a salary, you earn what it truly deserves to be.